By the end of this video, you will know how to add a collection in Shopify. Once you are logged in to your Shopify admin, go to the left-hand menu and click Online Store. This is where you manage the parts of your storefront that visitors actually see. From there, click Themes to open the area where your current store theme is listed. Find your active theme, then click Customize. That opens the theme editor where you can add, move, and adjust sections on your storefront. When the editor loads, check that you are working on the homepage template. This matters because the collection section needs to be added to the homepage, not to a product page, collection page, or another template. With the homepage selected, look to the left-hand sidebar and click Add Section. A panel will open with the sections available for your theme. From that list, select Collection List. Shopify will add that section to the homepage layout, and you will see it appear in the sidebar as well as in the storefront preview. Inside the New Collection List section, click one of the collection blocks. This opens the settings for that specific block. In those settings, click Select Collection. Shopify will show the collections available in your store. Choose the collection you want to display on the home page. Once selected, the preview updates so you can see that collection in place within the section. If you want to show more than one collection, repeat the same process for the remaining collection blocks in that collection list section. Open each block, click Select Collection, and choose the collection you want assigned to that spot. Work through each block until the section includes all the collections you want to feature on the home page. After the collections are added, arrange the collection blocks in the order you want them displayed. The order in the sidebar controls the order visitors will see on the home page, so place them carefully if you want a specific sequence. Next, use the drag handle next to the collection list section to move the entire section up or down on the home page. This changes where the group of collections appears in relation to the other homepage sections. As you move it, watch the preview so you can place it where it fits best in your layout. Before saving, review the storefront preview. Check that the correct collections are showing, that they appear in the right order, and that the whole collection list section is positioned where you want it on the homepage. When everything looks right, click Save in the theme editor to apply the changes to your store. Thanks for watching. Your Shopify homepage now displays the collection list section with your selected collections in the saved position and order.